Welcome, today in front of me STK Life 9 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store application and in the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while application installing on your device. Now just open the application. Here click enable in settings. And near the green Apple keyboard, tap once on the switcher, click OK, again OK, and just go back. And here click to the switch input methods and switch your G-bar to the English United States keyboard, and that's finished right now. And now for example we'll go to the Google search. And now as can you see, we got here our keyboard, and this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all the emojis. So that's how it looks. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.